With higher expected returns come higher volatility, higher risk, and nothing exemplifies this more than losing 700,000 plus in just a matter of a short month. This is the price that I get to pay when I take the higher than market risk. So we can see here for the year it's still up 10% versus the S&P 500 about 5%, so it's almost double that with the current pace of the S&P 500. However, when we are looking at smaller cap companies, they have a higher expected return, but they also have a lot higher volatility, meaning that we're seeing these huge swings in stock price, especially around earnings, and especially in scenarios such as the current one, where the signal from the Fed was that we would not cut interest rates, and we had this little hiccup, this little scare in the Middle East as well, where the market crapped its pants. And then we see bigger drops for higher expected return assets, such as small caps, such as Bitcoin, for example. In that case, they will drop more than the larger companies. And that's exemplified. So when you are looking at these riskier assets, you really have to ask yourself, do I have the ice in my stomach to be able to sit through large drop like this? Because remember, it feels amazing when you're making 200-300k in a day because you have 5% up from this nice return. But equally, you're going to have a few weeks like the current week we had with very bad results. Imagine losing 700,000 in 2 weeks. How would it make you feel? Would you be able to sit through that, or would you panic sell? That's the question we gotta ask ourselves as investors. And remember, last year we took a look at the portfolio. It only beat the S&P 500 with 2% for 2023. So it was a bad year given the risk taken, but in the end 2% more than the S&P 500. Can't really complain, although the hopes are extremely high now for 2024, given reversal to the mean, given how assets that have underperformed compared to expected return tends to track back to the mean over time. That's just one of those trading patterns that we see. Just wanted to make this quick video, really show that it's not all glamour and glory being investor. We need to be aware of these weeks where results are just horrible, when it's a bloodbath in the market. We gotta stay calm, we gotta diamond hand it, don't sell our shares prematurely just because we're scared. That's what a donkey would do, so don't be a donkey. Alright, that's been it for this video, and as always, hope you guys make a ton of money, whatever investments you decide to make. Take care now, bye bye.